Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are taking good care of yourselves and using your time properly on your studies and on your health both. Today with this video we are going to cover one more extra grammar topic, and that is nouns and its kinds. You all know what is a noun, right? A noun is a naming word. It is a name of any person, place, thing or animal. Okay, for example, Rita, city, Palwal, etc. All these are nouns. Okay, now we are going to study about kinds of noun. There are 5 kinds of nouns: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. Okay, first 3 you all have already studied. You have already done common noun, proper noun and collective noun in class 3rd. Now we are going to revise these 3 and we are going to study the other 2 as well. First we are going to start with proper noun. Proper nouns are the names of particular persons, places, animals or things. For example, Indira Gandhi, it is a name of a proper particular person, so Indira Gandhi is a proper noun. India, New Delhi, etc. Next is common noun. Common nouns are the names given to things, animals, places or people which are of a same kind. For example, girl, every girl is a girl. Glass, boy, pencil, these all are common nouns, right? For example, if we say boy, it could be any boy, it could be any boy, so boy is a common noun. But if I say Rohan, it is a particular name of a person, so it is a proper noun. If I say city, it could be any city. But if I say Palwal, it is a name of a particular place, so it is a proper noun and city is a common noun. If I say school, it could be any school, so it is a common noun. But if I say Tagore Public School, it is a name of a particular place, so it is a proper noun. Okay, I hope you have understood common noun and proper noun. Third is collective nouns. Collective nouns are the names given to the group of noun of same kind. Okay, for example, group of mountains is range. A range of mountains, so range is a collective noun. A library of books, so library, it is a group of books, so library is a collective noun. A herd of sheep, okay, so group of sheep is known as herd, so herd is a collective noun. A galaxy of stars, group of stars is known as galaxy, so galaxy is a collective noun. Okay, so till now we have studied about proper noun. It is a name of a particular person, thing, name or animal. We have done common noun. It is a name given to things, animals, places or people which are of a same kind. And the third one is collective nouns. Collective nouns are the names given to the group of nouns of a same kind, group of noun of common nouns, we can say, right? For like if I say a flight of stairs, so stairs, common noun, flight, collective noun. Okay, now the fourth one is abstract noun. Abstract nouns are the names given to the feelings which we cannot see but which we can feel. Okay, for example, honesty, bravery. Okay, our soldiers fought with bravery. We cannot see bravery but we can feel bravery, so bravery is an abstract noun. Rahul showed his honesty, so honesty is a abstract noun. Okay, so any name given to the feeling which we cannot see but which we can feel, it is an abstract noun. And the last one is material noun. Material noun is the name given to the matter or substance by which a thing is made of. Okay, for example, if I say furniture is made of wood, so here wood is material noun, furniture is common noun. Okay, understood, right? I have a box made of glass, so here glass is a material noun because by glass a box is made of, but a box is a common noun. You will not get confused between common noun and material noun. Try to understand. If I say furniture is made up of wood, here wood is a material noun, but if I say this lot of wood is very heavy, so here wood is a common noun. Okay, you have to understood that if there is a line which shows that something is made up of, so for that matter or substance is known as material noun. Okay, I hope you all have understood nouns and its kinds. It is a very easy topic to understand. Watch this video at least 2 to 3 times. Okay, do your work in a neat and clean handwriting in your notebook, and just not copy it down, just try to understand it and then write it down. And do the assignment page which is given as a stand page to you in your PDF in neat and clean handwriting in your rough notebook. Thank you. See you.